Alright, how's it going, guys? So in this video I'm going to teach you how to access the service menu on your Samsung TV. Now this service menu is generally used for some settings that you don't really get on the traditional settings tab, and to access this you're going to need to actually input some different codes within your remote. Now the first thing I want to note as well is that there are many different codes that might work for this. It depends slightly on the model, the year, and that kind of thing. Now, another thing I'm going to note is that if you are in somewhere like a hotel, like I am here, they will have likely changed the service code on the TV. They even might have special TVs from Samsung that are designed for this kind of thing. And so because of that, these codes might not work, and they might have their own exclusive codes that they're not going to tell you, which you basically will have to figure out. But if you've got a normal TV yourself at your house, then one of these codes I'm going to teach you is going to work. So first of all, what we have here is we need to go ahead and grab our Samsung remote. And one of the first codes that we can try on here is we're going to click on info. So click info here. Then we're going to go ahead and click on menu. So menu here. Then we're going to go ahead and click on mute. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the power button here. And so when you're doing this, once the TV turns on, it might take 5, 10, 30 seconds for the service window to pop up on the left-hand side of the screen. But if it does not pop up, then you might have done the code wrong, or it might be a different code. So I'm about to show you a different option. Another common code that people use or seems to work is you go mute, then you go 1, then you go 8, 2, and then power button. Again, that's a very common code that is used for this. So it could be that. And those are kind of the primary codes that we see working for actually accessing the service mode within your TV on your Samsung. So let me know if those work. If they do work, please go ahead down below, comment, like, and subscribe. If they don't work, there might be some other codes out there, but these are the most common ones. Another option is that potentially you might be using a TV which has had the service code altered, and so that could affect it. But thank you guys for watching. Any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.